Hey guys, here's the video for your answer for problem 2. So it says, Virginia's mother gave her marbles for her birthday. Virginia lost 13 of them, and she has 24 marbles left. I'm going to write that there. The question says, write and solve a subtraction equation to find how many marbles her mother gave her, which I'm going to call M. So let me start with my bar diagram. Her mother gave her M marbles. She lost 13, so I'm going to take those 13 away, and she's left with 24. So when I write my equation, it's the marbles her mom gave her, M. She lost 13, and she's left with 24. Now I'm going to solve it. I'm going to add 13 to each side. Cancel. M equals 37 marbles. So she started with the 37 marbles her mom gave her. All right, that's it for answer number 2. Thanks.